Look, eyes top right. Well done. Good adjustment. And then head back. That's lovely. I'm just going to move it back and forth. Let me just take the weight. Just let me take the weight of it.